Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. We are on 12 desserts for Christmas, and this is number 3, Snowball cookies. I am going to start with 1 egg. 1/4 cup of butter. And most of the standard recipes said that they use vanilla extract or almond, and this is both, a 1/2 teaspoon of each. Now I'm going to mix these together until creamy. Now to make them sugar-free, I'm going to use 1/3 cup of allulose, or any keto sweetener is fine. And this is 1½ cups of almond flour. If you need more to make a non-sticky dough, just add 1 tablespoon more at a time. Almost forgot the salt. I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now just pulse this until it's combined and scrape down the sides. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and these are roughly chopped because I like the crunch. You're going to want this dough on the stiffer side because we need to make little balls out of it. So add more almond flour if it's not stiff enough. Now you know that I like to use my pizza stone to cook my cookies on. It is amazing to use. If you have one, I suggest you try it. Just scoop out all these little portions onto your cookie sheet. Now put them in the freezer for 10 minutes. Take them out and we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 13 minutes. I like mine on the browner side like this. Do not take them off the cookie sheet because they are really soft and they will fall apart. Just let them rest for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then you're going to dip them in your powdered sugar, sugar-free powdered sugar. You want them still warm but cool enough to handle, and then just dip them in your sugar-free powdered sugar and let them finish cooling. Well, it's beginning to feel like Christmas around here. With all of this holiday baking, these look absolutely delicious. This looks like a lot of powdered sugar. I bet they are amazing. Yes, they are. They are very flavorful with that vanilla and almond extract and those chunks of pecans. It is very tasty. You can see those chunks of pecans in here, and they are crunchy just the way I like them. The cookie itself is so soft and buttery. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, may God bless you.